In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your D2L MNSU account online. Navigating to your D2L account and getting logged in can seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're doing it for the first time or during a busy time of the semester. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process with ease. Let's get started by opening up your web browser. Any browser of your choice will do, be it Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just open it up and go to the address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll want to type in the URL for the official D2L Brightspace login portal specific to Minnesota State University, Mankato. This is https://mnsu.learn.minstate. Edu. Make sure you type it in correctly so that you are directed to the right website. Once you reach the official page, you'll find yourself on the home page of the D2L Brightspace environment. There you'll see a variety of options and information, but your focus will be on the Sign In with Star ID button. Go ahead and click that. This button is your gateway to accessing your classes and materials, as it takes you directly to the Minnesota State Star ID login page. Now that you're on the Star ID login page, this is where you'll need your specific login credentials. First, look for the field where it prompts you to enter your Star ID username. Carefully type in your username, ensuring there are no typos. Next, move on to the Star ID password field. Again, enter your password with care, being sure to use exactly the right combination of letters, numbers, and symbols if your password includes them. If your password has any case sensitivity, be sure to respect those lowercase and uppercase characters as required. With both your Star ID username and password entered, you'll then click on the Sign On button. With a successful login, you're all set and should find yourself in your D2L homepage. From here, you can access your courses, check your assignments, participate in discussions, basically everything you might need for your academic schedule. If you encounter any issues during the process, such as forgetting your password, there are usually options to recover or reset it on the same login page. Don't hesitate to make use of these resources further along the login interface if needed. But with these steps, you now know how to easily access your D2L account. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy studying!